Hello everyone, this is Deepa Coaching Classes. Our today's topic is circles and area related to circle. We are going to learn the basics of circle, some important theorems and concepts in this section. Please like and subscribe my channel and do watch the channel. Do watch the video till the end so that you understand the concept properly. Okay, we can see some figures on the board. This is a circle and this is point O. Point O is the center. O is called the center. Whenever we draw a circle, we have to draw a center which is O. A line extending from O to the arc, this is called the arc of the circle. A line extending from the center to the arc is called radius. Okay, half the way. Line extending from the center to the arc is called radius. The same line, if it is extended throughout from one point to the other, is called diameter. Okay, diameter is always 2 times the radius. If radius is 2 centimeters, then diameter will be 4 centimeters. This is called a chord. Chord is any line which also joins one arc to the other arc of the circle, but it is not passing to the center. Diameter passes to the center. Diameter can pass from anywhere, but it has to pass to the center. Chord also can be drawn anywhere, but it does not pass to the center. Radius, all the radius of a circle are always equal. This is R. Radius R of the circle, same circle is equal. Now we have, if these are two radius, R and R, a line passing from the center to the arc is called radius. If these two radius, they meet in a V form to the arc and we join this section, and this is called a sector. Without joining also it is called a sector. Okay, this is called a sector. Okay, and this small little part is called segment. We are going to deal with sector and arc. This is called the arc of the circle. Arc of the circle. This is the minor arc. This is the major arc. Okay. Then we are going to learn all these formulas of arc, sector separately. Okay. Here are some of the properties of a circle. If a square is inscribed means if a square is inside a circle, it is called, then the diagonal of the square is diameter is equals to the diagonal of the square. So diameter of the circle is equals to diagonal of the square, which is x into root 2. Please remember this because we are going to solve sums on this. If a square is there, inside the square there is a circle inscribed, then the diameter of the circle and the length of the square is same. D is equals to x. Means D is 21 centimeters, x will be also 21 centimeters. Then we have a hexagon. If a circle is there and a hexagon is inscribed inside the circle, then the side of the hexagon is equals to the radius of the circle. Side of the hexagon is equal to the radius of the circle. If there is a hexagon and a circle is inscribed inside the hexagon, then the radius is this, root 3 upon 2 into side. If a hexagon is there and a circle is inscribed inside the hexagon, then the radius is root 3 upon 2 into side. Okay. Then we have two more concepts called secant and tangent. This is the center O. If a line coming from outside touches the circle at a single point, it is called tangent. If a line is coming from outside and touches the circle at a single point, it is called tangent. It can be any way, this side, okay. And if a line coming from outside and touches the circle at 2 points, it is called secant. These definitions are very important with respect to MCQ. These definitions are important with respect to MCQ. Now we'll study a theorem. We have a theorem which says P is a point in the exterior of a circle with center O. PA and PB are two tangents at A and B. Prove that PA is equals to PB. We have a circle. P is the exterior point joining at touching the line circle at A and B. O is the center. Whenever a tangent touches the line, touches the circle, it makes an angle 90 degree. Okay, tangent makes an angle 90 degree with the circle. So we have two triangles here, POA and POP. PO is equals to PO, common side, angle PBO is equals to PAO, which is 90 degree, and AO is equals to OB is radii of same circle. Okay. Therefore, angle, so you have to write radii. Why radii? Because one radius, one line is radius, two lines or more than one line is radii, plural. So angle PAO is equals to PBO, which is 90 degree, which is the tangent angle. Therefore, both the triangles are congruent. By RHS. Why RHS? Because this is right angle, this is the side, and this is the hypotenuse. And the line opposite to the 90 degree angle is hypotenuse. This is the side, this is the right angle. So right angle, hypotenuse, side. Therefore, once we prove that both the triangles are equal or congruent, we say that PA is equals to PB, CPCT. Hence, prove that PA is equals to PB. Okay. We are solving two sums here. These are the two tangents, PT and PQ. It is joining the tangent touching the line at P and Q, making an angle 130 with the center. We are told to find X. So we know that this is 90, this is 90. So what we have to do is angle PTQ plus angle TQP plus angle QOP plus angle OPT is equals to 360 degree. PTQ, yeah, TQO and QOP and OPT is equals to 360 degree. Therefore, we have PTQ, you don't know. TQO, 90. Okay, this is 130, this is again 90. Yeah. So X is equals to 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 30, 130. 310. So X will be 50. So X will be 50. Okay. So we have to add all these angles, make it equal to 360 degree. Keep X as it is, and X will be 50. Similarly here, if this is point P, it is touching the circle at point OQ and making an this is joining the center, the same point P joining the center O. Then this is 90, so this is hypotenuse, this is side. Okay. y square plus x square. 13 is 169 is equals to 25 plus x square. 169 minus 25 is equals to x square. 144 is equals to x square. So x root of 144 is 2. Such small MCQs might come for your board exams. Here I have solved two easy sums for you. Circumference of a circle is 44 centimeters. Calculate area. Pi is 22 upon 7. Circumference, formula for circumference is 2 pi r. List of all the formulas are being clipped inside the video, after the video. Circumference is 2 pi r. So put the value, circumference is already given, which is 44. Put the values, keep r as it is, and you get r as 7 centimeters after cancelling. Okay. So when you are taking this from this, denominator becomes numerator, numerator becomes denominator, both get cancelled in 7. What is told to what is asked? Area of circle. Area of circle is pi r square. Put the values and you get 154. Similarly, another type of sum is find the length of arc and area of sector if theta is 60 and r is 7 centimeters. Do not substitute pi. Put the formula for length of arc and put the formula for area of sector. Substitute the value. After cancelling, you get this. Okay. These are some easy sums. This might come for 2 marks. Here are the two figures given separately. One, a circle is inscribed inside the square, and another one square is inscribed inside the circle. We have to find the area of shaded region, area of square, and area of circle. Okay. First type is circle is inscribed inside the square. Pi is 22 upon 7. Your diameter is equal to the diameter and the side of the square is same. So area of square is side square, which is 14 square 196. Area of circle is pi r square. The values you get this. Area of shaded region is equals to square minus circle, which is 42. Here it is different. Here we have to find the diameter. Diameter of a circle is diagonal of the square. Diameter of the circle and diagonal of the square will be same. Okay. So diagonal of the square formula we have given initially in the properties. So side into root 2. Side is what? 14 centimeters. So 14 into root 2. So the radius becomes half of 14, which is 7. So area of circle is pi r square. Put the value of the radius. Cancel wherever required. You get this. Area of square is 14 square 196. Here area of shaded region is circle minus square. Circle minus square, which is this. Here area of shaded region is square minus circle. So both the sums, though they look alike, they are separate. Okay, I am putting a clip of all the formulas of both of the circle and area related to circle. Please refer to the clip, and I am putting some extra sums for you. Please solve the sums and do comment me if you want some extra sums to be solved. Thank you so much.